Good afternoon, students. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So, I hope you are able to hear me properly. So, how was your day? Any information about the school when they are planning to start?
No, sir. आपको पता है सर?
No idea. We are truly international school. I think when sir will be free from corona, sir will start the school. So it's a very funny situation. Just imagine if this school would have been in Delhi or Bombay or in Bangalore. Just imagine. So uh, then parents will have concern. Okay, why you are also canceling the online education? Okay. So anyway, and that too is for the 12th class because syllabus completion is very important in 12th class. Okay. So, yesterday, I think Surendra was not able to join. But Surendra, have you gone through the video which I had shared?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Not full, but half part I have seen. I have
Okay.
understood.
Okay. Good. So, let us solve few more questions. Most of you must be having the questions with you. Okay. Now, can you please tell me the page number? It's I think we are into this exercise. So yesterday, I think we had solved question number 2. Okay. So now we are in question number 3. So look, in your screen, we are having total 6 question. So out of these 6 question, let us do one thing. We will solve 3 question, and 3 question we will take as a homework. So let me give you this question. It is very easy as a homework, and you can also take this question as a homework. And let us focus on question number 4 first. Right now, sub question number 4 we will solve because here matrix is of 3 by 3. So look here, first matrix is of 3 by 3, another matrix is also of 3 by 3. So product matrix will also be of the order 3 by 3.
3 by 3.
So uh, let's solve the question. It is exercise 3.2. We have question number 3 and sub question number 4 we are solving, where we have the two matrices are 2 3 4 3 4 5 2 3 4 3 4 5, then 4 5 6 4 5 6. Please have patience because multiplication will give you again a bigger matrix of 3 by 3. 1 minus 3 5 0 24 and 305. Okay, so we need to multiply both the matrices, and if I want to multiply, so we know that we will have again the matrix of the order 3m into n, which is first and fourth. So first of all I need to create with the pencil a box like this. Then let me ask you. So Akshat, in the first row, what should I write?
सर 2 + 0 + 12. सर मैंने डायरेक्ट कर दिया है 2 +
Direct.
0 + 12.
Yes, chalega. So what I will do? Uh, Actually, psychologically, it is correct. You can multiply this with this element. So 2 ones are 2, plus 3 into 0, 0, plus 4 threes are 12, like this. So I will take some time. I will write what to be written initially. So 2, 3 and 4 are there. So 2 into something plus 3 into something plus 4 into something. And then in second row we have 3, 4, 5, 3 into something, 4 into something, 5 into something. So 3, 4 and 5. And then we have 4, 5, 6. 4, 5 and 6. And then from second matrix we take column 1, 0, 3, but we will write row wise 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 3. And second column we have minus 3 to 0. So minus 3 to 0, minus 3 to 0 and minus 3 to 0. Then we have 3, 0, 5. So 3, 0, 5, 3, 0, 5 and 3, 0, 5. So here basically 3 plus 12. Are you getting 14? Then here it will be minus 6 plus 6. Here it will be 0. And here it will be 6 plus 20, 26. You can confirm if you get the other answer. Here it will be 3 plus 15, 18. Here it will be minus 9 plus 8, minus 1. Here it will be 9 plus 25, 34. Here it will be 4 plus 18, 22. Here it will be 10 minus 12, minus 2. And here it will be 30 plus 12, 42. So raise your hand when you get the answer and you can move on to the next question if you feel comfortable. So Akshat, have you got this same answer?
तो वो 42 होगा फर्स्ट रो का थर्ड कॉलम
First row का third column 4 5s are 20 and 2 3s are 6.
नहीं सर 42 होगा
42.
हाँ
अच्छा,
सर 2 into 5 3 into 4 and 4 into 5
just a minute. 2 3 4, 2 something, 3 something, 4 something. Okay, and in third I will write 5 4 5. Okay, so I think foot mistake. I have written 305. Okay,
Instead of 5, 4.
yes, yes, 545. Okay, so entire this column will be wrong. Okay. Mm, so please excuse, because sometimes when you are in a hurry. So first two columns are matching. So here we have these values 5 4 and 5. I will write 5 4 5 row wise. So 5 4 5 5 4 5. And here I will have 10 plus 12, that is 22 plus 20, 42. Then 25 plus 15 plus 16. So 25 plus 40, 56. Please confirm. Then 20, 20 and 30, 70. Now is this matching?
yes sir
Okay. So Let's solve another question. It's very easy. This chapter is very beautiful and students generally enjoy this chapter a lot. Let us solve question number 5. So first matrix we have 2 1 3 2 minus 1 1, 2 1 3 2 minus 1 and 1, then 1 0 1, then minus 1 2 1. So first matrix is having 3 row and 2 column. Then we have 2 row and 3 column. So in multiplication matrix, what will we have? How many rows and how many columns? Hello?
3 rows and 3 columns.
Yes. Okay. कभी कभी आपको लगेगा कि सर बार बार पूछ रहे हैं, so please not, you know, it's very important to have some interaction. So 2 1 in first row we have elements 2 and 1, then we have 3 and 2 in second row, and then we have minus 1 and plus 1, and then we have in first column 1 and minus 1. I will write row wise 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, then I have 0 and 2, and then I have 1 and 1. So 2 minus 1 will give you 1. Here you will have 2. Here 2 plus 1, 3. Then 3 minus 2, 1. Here you will get 4. 3 plus 2, you will get 5. Minus 1 minus 1. Here you will get minus 2. Here it will be 2. Here it will be 0. So, Sanket, are you able to understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can raise your hand if you are getting this answer, and feel free, be comfortable. कोई भी doubt है तो you can ask me. So Anuj, Harsh, Lavanya, Sanket, Siddhi, Surendra. Okay. If it's done, you can let me know. Acha, uh, why I'm insisting, because even I should feel कि actively you are involved.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so देखो कोई भी पीछे हो तो बता देना. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Now, uh, you solve question number 6. Okay, so first 3 question you can take as a homework. So you can try question number 6. And here I will not solve, you need to solve, and then I will ask you what value you are getting. First of all, we can decide about the order. 2 row, 3 columns, 3 row, 2 columns. So in multiplication, we have matrix of the order 2 by 2. First and fourth, we will get the matrix of 2 by 2. Now, as and when you get the elements of first row or the second row, you can tell me. So we'll confirm whether all are getting the same values or not. So in the first row, which number are you getting?
So 14
Okay, 14 seems correct.
minus 6, 4 and 5.
Like this, 14 के बाजू में है -6,
Yes, sir.
then 4
4
and
and 5.
5. Okay, so let's have confirmation from other students as well. Now, what trick I can share with you? Look here, how this works. Basically, to get this 14, it will be like this. 2, sorry, 3 into 2, then -1 into 1 and 3 into 3. इन तीनों को ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करना है. So 3 2s are 6, then -1 into 1 is -1. तो till now 6 minus 1 is 5. उसमें 5 में 3 3s are 9 ऐड करो. 5 plus 9 will be 14. So by this way you will be able to get this 14. So mentally also it can be done, but you need to be having a very good concentration. For example, how to get this -6? So to get this -6, if I use the same pattern, or let's say if I discuss about this 4 or my 5, how to get this 5, then I can write like this: -1 into -3, which is +3, plus 0 into 0. So 3 plus 0 is 3, and 2 into 1, which is 2. So 3 plus 2 will give you 5. Okay, so both the ways possible, but as per your convenience you can do. So if question is for 1 mark, let's say, then directly you can answer. If it is for more than 1 mark, so you can show those calculations. So raise your hand if you have got your answer. Anuj, Akshat, Sanket,
Yes, sir.
Lavanya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about Harsh? Okay. Siddhi. Good. So now let's move on to the next one. And here I would request Harsh to please read the question. Yes, Harsh. Hello. Okay, Harsh नाराज लग रहा है, तो let me read. If A is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
so and so.
Yes, sir.
हाँ हाँ, चलो चलो, हर्ष आ गया. Yes, हर्ष.
हाँ, sir.
हाँ. So please
Sir,
read
A
this question 4. ये अंदर का नहीं लिख बोलोगे तो चलेगा. If A is equal to so and so.
A is equal to C. सर मतलब आंसर बताना है कि क्वेश्चन नहीं बताना?
हाँ, A, B and C are given. So read the question. What they are asking?
Then compute A plus B in and B minus C. Also verify that A plus bracket B minus C bracket close is equal to A plus B minus C.
Okay. So first of all, you will have to find A plus B. You know how to do this. Okay. Same position element should be added. So find A plus B. Also find B minus C. Okay. And then they are asking, okay, you need to verify. What you are supposed to verify? This. Okay, in matrix A. Now, how to do this? It's very easy. In step number 1, you will find A plus B. In step number 2, you will find B minus C. तो चलिए, सबसे पहले तो you need to tell me the value of A plus B. what matrix you are getting as A plus B. चलो, you can also mention in the chat box A plus B में first row के 3 elements क्या होंगे?
4 1 minus 1
1.
Okay, 4 1 minus 1, then
9 2 7
9 2 7. Okay, then
3 minus 1 and 4.
4. Perfect. So you got A plus B. Then also tell me this matrix B minus C. Are you getting like this? Minus 1, minus 2 and 0 in the first row.
Yes, sir.
Then second row like this.
Yes, sir.
And third row like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we found this A plus B and we also found B minus C. Now they are asking verify that A plus B minus C. Now what we are supposed to do, matrix A is already with us. Matrix B minus C is also with us. So in left hand side, we need to write like this, A plus B minus C. Let me solve here. Question number 4. A plus B minus C, we need to verify that it is equal to A plus B minus C. Okay, obviously in plus and minus it will be there, but let us confirm. How to confirm? Matrix A we are having 1 2 and minus 3. Matrix A having second row is 5 0 2, and then third row is 1 minus 1 1. So we have matrix A. We also have matrix B minus A, which is minus 1 minus 2 0. Then we have 4 minus 1 3, and then we have 1 2 0. Okay, so I need to add this. Then 1 plus minus 1, so it will be 0. Then 2 minus 2, 0. Then minus 3. So you will get left hand side. Similarly, these two matrices are with you and you will have to find also the right hand side. And we need to confirm whether these two matrices are same or not. So I hope you are doing the question and you will tell me the second row. Yes, hers. Okay, not an issue. Okay, take care.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So second row. May can I say? Can you repeat?
6 minus 1 5.
In second row. Second row में I feel 9 नहीं आएगा. 5 plus
एक
4.
मिनट मैंने क्वेश्चन गलत लिखा है, सॉरी 5 प्लस, हाँ सर 9 आएगा 9.
हाँ, so 9 minus 1 and 5. Am I correct?
हाँ सर. Yes
Then
sir.
2 1 1. So you can confirm the left hand side and you can also solve right hand side by writing the given matrices. And then you can tell me whether both sides are same or not. It will be same.
एक बार सी के एलिमेंट्स दिखाना तो क्या क्या है।
ये रहा। फोर वन टू 032 and 1 minus 2 3. ओके, तो अक्षत आपके पास ये प्रिंट आउट नहीं है, आज मैंने रखा था। ओके, सम स्टूडेंट्स हैड कलेक्टेड। सो चलो अब बता दो, आंसर आ जाना चाहिए। व्हाट डू यू फील, आर बोथ वैल्यूज सेम और नॉट? लवन्या, संकेत,
Yes,
सिद्धि,
sir.
हाँ, आर यू गेटिंग द सेम वैल्यूज?
Yes, sir.
ओके, थोड़े ऐसे यू नो एनर्जी लेवल आप बनाए रखिए। ओके, सो that would be good. And if you have solved the question, then you can mention the chat box like done. Okay, so that we can move on to the next one. संकेत, आंसर आ गया? दोनों सेम है?
Sir, आ गया.
Okay, good. So both will be same. Now we have question number 5. We have a matrix A which looks horrible, matrix B also looking horrible, and they are asking us to find 3A minus 5B. Now basically it looks horrible, but it's very easy. Now what they are saying, कि find 3A means matrix A should be multiplied with 3. When we multiply with 3, तो ये जो 3 नीचे है, ये सभी 3 क्या हो जाएंगे? कट हो जाएंगे? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And here matrix B needs to multiply it with 5. So all these 5 will also get cancelled. So try this. You can try this 3A minus 5B, and let's see what you are getting. So we have question number 5. Okay, so question is in front of you, so you can do 3A minus 5B. So you can try question 5, and when it is over you can go for question 6. I mean question number 6, don't take tension sir, ये trigonometry है, so basic trigonometry is there. Okay, so there is no advanced function, only one rule you need to apply in this question, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. That's it. So I hope you will be able to solve question 5, 3A minus 5B. First matrix is of 3 by 3, second matrix is also of 3 by 3. So finally when you get the answer, that matrix will also be of 3 by 3. You must be getting the first row like this. One zero zero. Am I right? So tell me about the second row. What you are getting, and give me a minute. So which is the
So पूरा
second row
zero.
elements? सेकंड रो में सब कुछ जीरो है.
फिफ्थ में.
क्वेश्चन 5 में.
हाँ सर सब जीरो है, 1 भी नहीं उधर, सब जीरो.
अच्छा 2 minus 2. हाँ, yes, it is 0. And in second row also everything is 0.
Yes sir, सब
Okay,
जीरो.
good. So now we can go for question number 6. So in question number 6, we have cos theta and this is the matrix. So cos theta will need to be multiplied with each and every part. Okay. So this is also very easy. Let's solve question number 6. We have cos theta with cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta and cos theta. And here we have plus sin theta to be multiplied with sin theta minus cos theta, then cos theta, and then sin theta. So if we multiply, then it will be cos square theta, sin theta, cos theta. Here it will be minus sin theta, cos theta, and cos square theta. And here if I multiply, it will be sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta, then plus sin theta cos theta, and then we have sin square theta. So I want to add these two. So when I add sin square theta plus cos square theta, I can write 1. Sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta will get cancelled. Here also plus and minus will get cancelled. And here cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So which matrix we got? Identity matrix. So I hope you are clear about this question. Question number 6. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Acha, raise your hand if it is over, if you have finished writing. बीच बीच में थोड़ी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. ओके, ऑफ हैंड रेजिंग. ओके, गुड. So we have question number 7. In question number 7, we have find x and y if. Now what I will do, first question I
Sir,
will
I
give.
had one doubt.
हाँ, बोलिए.
Sir, because in 11th standard, we
Hmm.
didn't have trigonometry at all. So, sir, are we supposed
Okay.
to do this trigo sums?
Okay. So, Surendra, even I don't know trigonometry. Okay, I studied very long when I was in 12th class. So only one rule I remember: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what we will do? Trigonometry related sums अभी जो आएंगे तो हम साइड पे कर देंगे. Are you clear? And I feel that कि in applied mathematics trigonometry has no role. सो हम साइड पे कर देंगे. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, क्योंकि ये साइंस की टेक्स्ट बुक से कर रहे हैं तो शायद ये क्वेश्चन होंगे. सो विल अबाउट दैट. ओके, अच्छा. एंड आई केम टू नो दैट आर.डी. शर्मा भी टेक्स्ट बुक है. ओके, आई माइट गेट टुडे. सो व्हाट आई विल डू कि if I get the textbook, then we can have some good questions to be solved here, and some questions can be given as a homework, and I can share its solution also so that you can confirm. So practice is very important. अच्छा, आप में से कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने फोटोग्राफ नहीं दिए हैं. सो बिकॉज आई फील दैट दिस बैच इज गोइंग टू गेट अ वेरी गुड रिजल्ट. तो नेक्स्ट ईयर मुझे पोस्टर में वो फोटोग्राफ चाहिए. सुरेंद्र, थैंक यू वेरी मच, उसने फोटो दिया है. Others, please consider this. Okay. आप
Yes, sir. Yes,
के
sir.
ऊपर मुझे पूरा भरोसा है. Okay. So here we will solve question 7 का second part. Okay, question number 7. First part is very easy. Second part we are solving 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is 2340. There is a matrix. Then I have 3x plus 2y. Now, can I say to solve simultaneous equation, what I can do? First equation, if I multiply with 3, then what do I get? 6x. Here, I need to multiply with 2. Then what do I get? 6x. Are you able to recollect? So what I will do? This equation which is given, I will multiply with 3. If I multiply with 3, then 2 3s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y will give me, I need to multiply all elements of this matrix with 3. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12 and 0. You got this point? And I also have another matrix which is given 2 3x. If I multiply with 2, it was 3x plus 2y. I can write like this. 3x plus 2y was equal to 2 minus 2 and minus 1 5. And what I will do, I will multiply this with 2 and I will write below this. So it will be 3 2s are 6x, 2 2s are 4y is equal to, I need to multiply this matrix with 2 as well. So 2 2s are 4, minus 2 2 minus 4, then minus 1 into 2 and 5 2s are 10. So we got these two equations. Now what I will do, I will change the sign and then I can add these two equations. So 6x minus 6x will become 0. So 9y minus 4y will give you what? 5y. And here what you are supposed to do, you will have to, when we have this minus sign, you need to subtract. So 6 minus 4 will be 2. Then 9 minus minus 4, 9 plus 4, 13. Then we have 12 minus minus 2, 12 plus 2, which is 14. Then 0 minus 10 is minus 10. So what do you feel? What should be the value of y? So if I transfer this 5 to that side, it will become 1 by 5. Okay? Or when I say 1 by 5 of this, which is 2, 13, 14 and minus 10. Acha, those who are having the printout, I request you to confirm the final answer. What is the value of y which is given? Because I am getting the fraction. Do we have fraction or not? So are you getting the y like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what about solution? Just a minute. So those who are having the solution can check what is the